Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the font style of TikTok video captions. So in here, you can start by open the TikTok apps and then start posting the video by clicking on the plus icon. You can make your videos or you can also just upload a video. I'm going to just record in here, for example. Can just click on a check icon and then tap on next. Okay, so this is where you can add the caption. So let's open the Google first, or open any browser that you use, and then here just type in fancy text generator. Okay, so now you can just choose the one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use the first one in here, so you can just write the caption for your TikTok video. Okay, for example, like this. And in here you'll see there are lots of font style that you can use for your TikTok video, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, in here I'm going to use this ones right here. You can just select the text like this and then copy it, go back to the TikTok apps and then paste it in the caption box. Click on paste and you guys can see here now the text, the font style will follow the one that you copy. Now you can just click on post. Click on post and let's see the result of the font style. Okay, let's see it on my profile here. Okay, so as you guys can see here that the fonts is customized just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.